In this video, I am going to show you how you can create the type of border animation in less than 3 minutes, all in CapCut editor. First, open a new project in CapCut, then go to Stickers and select the Shapes tab. Now we are going to use the square shape, so add it to the timeline and we edit it a bit. So drag the edges to adjust it to the size you want your shape to be. And I will add some round corners, so just click and drag any of the dots in the shape inwards. Now when you are done with editing your shape, move to the timeline and duplicate the shapes layer. So just hold the Alt key on your keyboard and click on the layer and drag on top to create the duplicate. After creating the duplicate, now select the one on top, then come to the Attributes panel, scroll to Fill and set the opacity to 0. Now go to Stroke and select it, then go to Color and select any color you want your border to be. Now after selecting your color you can also adjust the stroke size, so I will set my at 4. So the duration is a bit short, so highlight all of them, then I will increase the duration to 6 seconds, but you can adjust yours to the duration you want. Now select the second layer, then on the Attribute panel, scroll to Fill and select the color you want, so I am going to select a darker gray, then I will decrease the opacity to about 47, and now it's time to create the animation. So select the first layer and create a compound clip. Now under the Video tab on the Attribute panel, click on the Mask tab, select Add Mask then click on Film Strip Mask, and that's what we will be using for our border animation. Now rotate it just like what I have done on the screen and you can also decrease the size to the size you want. Now hold the feather tool on your mask to feather the edges of the borders. And when you are done, move the playhead to where you want the animation to start. And I want mine to start at the start of the clip. Then scroll to Mask Settings and add your first keyframe. Now move the playhead to where you want the animation to end. So I want mine to end at the end of the clip. So I will add another keyframe at that place, then rotate the mask using the rotate icon. And this will create this amazing edge glow effect. And this is how to create this border animation in CapCut. So let me know your feedback in the comments section if this video was helpful. See you in the next video.